CNN Plus special report.
The Pentagon telling reporters a short time ago that they have detected a ballistic missile launch out of North Korea within the last hour, making it just around midnight North Korean time. This is something that had been anticipated. U.S. spy satellites had been watching the area for the last several days, believing there was evidence that the North Koreans were going to do
primary entry point system emergency broadcast at the request of the United States Civil Defense. This is a Level 4 East broadcast. Please stand by as we receive information from the government. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected 10 missiles heading for Hawaii and other states. 3 of the 10 missiles are going to hit Hawaii. Targeted areas include the city of Honolulu on Oahu, the city of Hilo on the Big Island, and the Kanapali Resort area on Maui. Immediate action: all residents statewide, seek shelter immediately. If indoors, move to an interior room, lowest level, away from all windows and exterior walls. If outdoors, lie flat on the ground, cover your head and neck. Do not emergency responders are mobilized. Monitor this channel and official news sources for critical updates. Further information will be broadcast as soon as available. Missiles will hit in 5 to 7 minutes. Act fast to save yourself. Every minute counts. Now ending emergency broadcast.
Buenas noticias sobre Foro TV. Mi casa también. Si usted quiere seguir informado, sintonice Foro TV, además de sus señales tradicionales en TV de paga en el Valle de México. Ahora hay nuevas señales digitales en televisión abierta. Por el canal digital abierto 9.2 en Monterrey, Aguascalientes, Torreón y Cuernavaca. Por el canal 4.2 en Guadalajara.
Esta es una transmisión del sistema de alerta de emergencia. Esto no es una prueba. Esta es una alerta de emergencia oficial del Sistema Nacional de Protección Civil de México. Atención a todos los ciudadanos de México. Hemos recibido reportes confirmados de un lanzamiento de misiles hostiles de Corea del Norte. 6 misiles balísticos están en camino, con un impacto proyectado en aproximadamente 10 a 15 minutos. Siguientes áreas metropolitanas principales están bajo amenaza inmediata: Ciudad de México, Guadalajara, Monterrey, Tijuana, Puebla y León. Si usted se encuentra dentro o cerca de estas ciudades, debe tomar medidas inmediatas. Busque refugio inmediatamente. Si está en el interior, muévase a la habitación más interior, en el nivel más bajo, lejos de todas las ventanas y paredes exteriores. Si no hay un edificio resistente disponible, acuéstese en el suelo y protéjase la cabeza y el cuello. No intente viajar. Permanezca donde está.
Los servicios de emergencia están siendo desplegados. Se transmitirá más información tan pronto como esté disponible. Sintonice los canales de noticias oficiales para obtener actualizaciones e instrucciones. No difunda rumores ni información no verificada. Repito, ataque de misiles inminente. Busque refugio ahora. Esto no es un simulacro.
This is an NBC News special report.
Today, we are coming on the air with breaking news about an explosion at a border crossing near Niagara Falls. The FBI in Buffalo is investigating what it is calling a vehicle explosion at the Rainbow Bridge, a busy border crossing between Canada and the U.S. They add the situation is very fluid. Here's what we know according to our 4 senior law enforcement officials that were briefed on the matter. This is video of that explosion that's come into our newsroom. From
the primary entry point system emergency alert at the request of the United States Canadian Civil Defense. A terrorist attack just occurred moments ago at the Niagara Falls Bridge. We believe this is an attack from North Korea trying to distract us from protecting our dear Canada. We managed to take out 4 of the 8 missiles from North Korea. The 4 missiles are going to hit Canadian mainland. Please stand by for the following cities that are targets. To the North American Aerospace Defense Command, the 4 missiles are going to hit the following cities: Windsor, Ontario, Niagara Falls, Ontario, Fort Erie, Ontario and St. Catharines, Ontario. If you are in the following cities, please take immediate shelter. Emergency services will be on standby as needed. Do not travel until an all clear is issued. Please stay safe now. Ending emergency broadcast.